Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together.
Emma, this supermarket is huge. Where do we even start?
Let's go to the produce section. We need bananas, tomatoes, and lettuce.
Got it. Are these tomatoes good?
They're too soft. Try to find some that are firm, not squishy.
Oh, okay. Firm is better. These feel right.
Nice. Let's grab 4 tomatoes and a head of lettuce.
Now what?
Let's go to the dairy aisle. We need almond milk and butter.
Should we get salted or unsalted butter?
Unsalted. It's better for cooking.
Oh, I think we not bought cereal last week.
Wait, you mean we didn't buy cereal? Use didn't plus base verb and past negative.
Right, we didn't buy cereal. Thanks, Emma. Hey, what kind of milk is this? It's say low fat.
It says, Ben, you need an S with it. When the subject is it, the verb gets an S in present tense.
I always forget that one.
Let's head to frozen foods. We need frozen peas and mixed veggies.
Got it. Want pizza too?
No, we have pizza at home. Let's skip it.
Hey, Emma, I can't find canned beans. Where are they?
Let's ask someone. Excuse me, where can I find canned beans?
So let me try it out. Excuse me, where can I find canned beans?
Perfect. You sound like a real shopper.
Also, what's the section called with chips and cookies?
That's the snack aisle.
I like it here. I could live here.
Just pick a bag of popcorn and let's go.
Wait, did we bring reusable bags?
Nope, we'll have to use plastic bags today. Again.
Next time, I'll write it at the top of the list.
Time to check out. Are you paying by card or cash?
Card. It's faster. I'll grab the receipt too.
Good. We're done. And hey, you use a lot of English today.
Thanks. Hey, Emma, what's the word for this section with meat and fish?
That's the butcher section, or meat counter, and seafood is usually in the fish section.
Oh, okay. Do we need chicken?
Yes, let's get 2 pieces of boneless chicken breast.
How about this one? It's $10.
Looks good. And check the expiration date, just to be sure.
Ah, yeah. It says best by July 14th. That's okay?
Yeah, that's next week. We're fine.
What about drinks? I want something cold.
Sure, grab a bottle of juice or sparkling water from the fridge.
Ah, they have iced tea. I take this.
You mean I'll take this. I take is not correct in this case. Use I'll take when you decide on the spot.
Right, I'll take the iced tea. Got it.
Do you want some snacks for the weekend?
Yes, let's get crackers, chocolate, and maybe some instant noodles.
Great idea. And we're running low on cooking oil, remember?
Oh, right. Should I get olive oil or sunflower oil?
Let's go with olive oil. Healthier.
What's this bottle? It says extra virgin olive oil. What does that mean?
It just means it's pure and high quality. Good for salads and light cooking.
Cool. I'm learning cooking tips too.
Let's get some cleaning supplies before we forget.
What do we need?
Dish soap, sponges, and maybe paper towels.
All right. Okay, I think this is everything.
Almost. Let's double check the shopping list.
Milk, check. Eggs, check. Bread, rice, vegetables, snacks, oil. Yep, all good.
Awesome. Let's go to the checkout before we buy the whole store.
Hey, Emma, I saw a sign that said, buy one, get one free. What does that mean?
It means if you buy one item, you get a second one for free. It's a good deal.
We should have used that for the chocolate.
Too late. Maybe next time.
Should I pay?
Sure, go ahead.
I'd like to pay by card, please. Okay, got the receipt. Let's pack the bags and go home.
Great job today. You used so much English.
Thanks to you. Now I'm ready for maybe the pharmacy next time?
Ha ha, we'll see, one adventure at a time.
All right, we paid, packed the bags, and survived the supermarket.
Yup, and look at all the English you used today. I'm impressed.
Thanks. I learned so many words and made a few mistakes too.
That's how we learn. Make mistakes, fix them, and keep going.
Hey, if you made it this far, you're awesome.
And if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
Yeah, just click that little save icon so you don't lose it.
And come back for more real-life English with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now, and keep practicing.